Weekly SPECT quality control, COR testing. For this procedure, you will require a point source of technetium, about 30 megabecquerels in activity, COR fixture base and COR fixture source holder. We're going to begin by initiating SPECT 180 pre-program motion. Observe that the motion is complete. Fold the mattress out of the way on the imaging bed or remove the mattress altogether. The COR fixture requires a stable base, and the source has to be stable during the test. The black adjustment screw on the COR fixture base has a sharp end, hence the blue pad, to protect the imaging bed from scratching. Utilize the mobile shield. Place it between the camera and the workstation. Insert the point source in any one of the 3 tubes for COR check. Only one source is required. For COR calibration, we would need to use all 3 sources. We're going to set up the protocol by entering the QA calibration menu. Study name type capitals XX space QC space COR space check. For ID, put current date and your initials. Press proceed. Now we're going to select the COR protocol. Select COR 180 QA. Here's the main protocol page. Here we're going to update the collimator ID. Select the correct collimator on the camera. Verify that isotope is set as technetium. Do not change the default settings for number of angles or counts per angle. Press proceed. The camera will issue an automated message informing that the camera will move automatically to a pre-programmed position for the COR test. Press continue. camera system will rotate into a predetermined position, as well as adjust the radius on the detectors. When the preset motion is complete, the camera will issue a pre-programmed message indicating to position the source for the COR acquisition. At this point, the COR fixture will be moved into the gantry so as the source is in between the detectors, roughly in the middle of the field of view. So this would be a middle up-down in the field of view in terms of y-axis. Center the fixture left to right and x-axis in the field of view, as well as ensure there is no twist on the source fixture. Here from the side view we see that the activity within the source is roughly in the middle of the field of view. We may need to adjust the screw on the base of the fixture in order to ensure that the fixture rod, this is the white rod, is parallel to the imaging bed and level. We're going to align the fixture so as the source is in the middle of the field of view in the x-axis at 0 degrees. After ensuring that the source is positioned correctly, press OK on the source positioning message. Verify the position of the source in the middle of the field of view in the y-axis. Verify correct positioning of the technetium peak and start the COR acquisition. Once the acquisition starts, ensure that the area is clear and that the COR fixture is not disturbed, as well as the imaging bed of the camera system. COR acquisition is complete. Complete study on the main protocol page. Analysis for the COR test is done immediately after the acquisition is complete, without removing the source fixture or resetting the camera system position, in order to provide for efficient reset if required. Begin analysis. We are going to initiate diagnostics from the Tools menu, top left corner. In the Gantry tab, we're going to press on COR tool. Once the application loads, we have two options. We can check our COR file in terms of calibration or COR check. We want to check the file for COR check procedure, so we're going to check off the QA radio button, and then we're going to select the current COR file. These files are coded by the date and time, and the most recent files are placed on the top of the list. Once the file is loaded, the analysis provided in terms of x-axis shifts, y-axis shifts, the mean shift for each axis, maximum minimum shift, and a total range of the shift. We have numerical results in millimeters on the left side. Right side, we have two graphs for x and y axis shifts. Each graph represents the shifts from 0 to 360 degrees, and that's the horizontal axis, and the shifts in millimeters on the vertical axis of each graph. Verify the mean shift and the maximum shift for each axis compared to the limits. We would exit from that feature. The file remains in the database. If analysis passes for the COR check, COR calibration is not required, and we are free to remove the source. Slide the fixture back and out from in between the detectors. Reshield the source. Remove the mobile shield and any other objects from the area. Take the COR fixture apart. Concluding the study.